In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post on Beehiiv. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently publish your posts can save you a lot of time and ensure that your audience gets your content when you want them to. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, we need to get started by heading over to the Beehiiv website. Once you're there, look for the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking it will bring up the login options, and for simplicity, today we'll focus on signing in with Google. Signing in with Google is incredibly straightforward. When you click on sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Simply select your account and you'll be safely logged into Beehiiv in no time. Now once you're logged in, let's navigate to the post section. You can usually find this by looking through the main navigation menu on your dashboard. It's the hub where all your drafts, scheduled posts and published content resides. When you locate this section, click on it. With your list of posts displayed, you want to focus on the draft of your newsletter that you've prepared and are ready to publish. Look for the three dots located usually at the side or below the draft. These dots indicate more options. Click them to reveal a contextual menu. From this menu, you'll see an edit option. Go ahead and click on edit. This step will allow you to make any last-minute adjustments or refinements to your content. Always make sure everything looks the way you want it to. This is your final chance before publishing. After you're done with edits, it's time to click the next button. You'll need to click next multiple times until you reach the review and publish section. This section is crucial because it gives you one last overview of your post before it goes live. Double check your formatting, spelling and any other details. Satisfied with what you see? Great. Now you'll want to click publish to email and web. This initiates the publication process, making your content available to both email subscribers and web readers. You might notice another button labeled Schedule Next. This is where you decide whether to hit publish immediately or set a future date and time for your post to go live. If you prefer scheduling, just select your preferred date and time. Finally, if you're ready to release your content to the world immediately, you'll want to click on Publish Now. This will send your post directly to your audience, accomplishing your task of delivering fresh content to them. And that's it, you've successfully published a post on Beehiiv. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and effective process every time. Thanks for tuning in and happy publishing.